to press it in the middle of it. And it can be very well. That is how our mom does it. We press it. So the akara and the some both in our mouth. These are the ingredients for the beans cake akara. This is scotch bonnet pepper, diced onion. I'm adding chicken because I don't want to use crayfish. I'm going to blend chicken with it. This is diced scotch bonnet pepper, 2 nut chicken, Maggi powder, beef powder, Maggi chicken powder, 2 onion and beans, black eyed beans, and let's get the video started. I'm going to add everything together and I will blend this smooth, but not too watery. It's going to be thick. So you can see, so it's not that too watery, it's thick. That is how we want it. I always blend the Maggi together, and I'm blending the chicken together. Guys, try this recipe. You're gonna love it. So now you can see that we don't want it to be too watery. We have to make sure it's a little bit thicker so that the bean steak will come out good. That's what we want. Yeah. So now I'm going to start frying the beans. So the oil.